Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monitor scenario runs in Make so you can track performance, identify issues quickly, and keep your automations running smoothly. Let's jump right in. To begin, log into your Make account and open the scenario you want to monitor. At the top of the scenario page, click on the History tab. This section automatically records every execution of your scenario. Inside the History tab, you'll see a chronological list of runs. Each entry displays when the scenario started, how long it ran, and its final status. A success status means everything worked as expected. A warning indicates the run completed but may need attention. An error means the scenario stopped before finishing. If you want to investigate a specific run, click on Details. This opens a visual representation of the execution flow, showing how data moved through each module step by step. Above each module, you'll notice small operation bubbles. Click on these bubbles to inspect the exact input and output data processed during that run. This helps you confirm that the correct data passed through and identify where something may have gone wrong. When troubleshooting, start at the point where results look unexpected and work backward through the modules. This method helps you quickly locate the source of the issue. That's it. You now know how to effectively monitor scenario runs in Make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.